I don't know why they must stress over me. You know, I stress whether I'm a Christian or I'm not a Christian. You see me make anything about me? One girl go as far as to say Star waste them time. But for right about me, that's a bad man I kill you, my girl. I'm sorry for you. If you want bad mind over Amari, I'm gonna drop down dead. You know, I can't be blamed for that. I hope you live though. You understand? Stop bad mind, man. How people so dirty minded. You know, what is it to be in the Star? Then again, it's a big thing. Because the Star have been around forever and forever. Don't to me shock. I never know so me not gonna come out in the Star. I think me not gonna come out in one local paper at Jamaica. I never know so the big Star. Why I'm in the Star? Because I'm a star. I become L.A. Lewis. 1H, so I need for humble myself. Humble myself about what? You want me to humble myself more than I humble myself in the last 2 years? When I suffer, I humble myself before God. When I live on the street, you understand? When I have to walk on back on road, and you say, God, I lift me up and I'm enough to rejoice. You tell me if I humble myself. My girl, get this shit right. Humble myself about what? What must humble myself about? Yeah, the man said it. He said, somebody please tell me why. Why my song now play? Why nothing now go on for me? You say somebody if I tell you why, so me I the somebody. And me I say why now? Because Amari was a lucky charm, baby. With me you were very lucky. You understand? Because you get the big splash and then everything died down after the padlock. And then this crazy itch, Amari, came about and kept the script going. And you remain relevant for as long as me talk about you. Yeah, so you want to know why nobody not talk about you no more? Because Amari is not talking about you. People must be honest and people must be real. Because you don't know. Say if Amari get with the program right now, say everything lift off for you. Me just have to land at Jamaica and you meet me at the airport, pan your knee with an engagement ring, but you don't know, so that not gonna happen. So you say, somebody please tell me why. You know what I hate? When people are stereotyped, like something happened to them and them say, oh, it's because I'm black. You understand? That's why I don't get the job. You know, and now DJs not getting their songs played and nobody's talking about them. So, I mean singers, DJs, you know, the artist type. So they want to blame DJs, the radio players, for not playing their song. If you're not interested, them just not play you. Them not play me either. I'm not telling a lie because in the like reggae music industry, I'm not relevant to them. That's why I remain relevant on social media. I make that keep me going. Not to mention that I'm not a reggae singer. I may sing 1 or 2 reggae songs, but I'm not a reggae artist. You know what I mean? So all kind of things are going. If I follow social media, sometimes I go in a depression, real depression. You have to be strong, you know. Like I did this show and I was introducing my kids to my lifestyle, you know. So it wasn't about getting them stuff. It was about stuff that I got for myself, and I wanted to incorporate, you know, their lifestyle with my lifestyle. And I introduced my kids to Tums. Now, you may not be aware of it, but Tums, you know, has a lot of calcium. And they take it and make a big thing, me no know say Tums and no calcium. And come on now, I got 13 kids. I've been know Tums is calcium. If you don't know, go and Google it, you know, but don't be making me look stupid talking about, oh, she need to go give her kids vitamins. I was introducing the kids to the things that I'm taking. And at that time, I'm introducing them to Tums. Go Google it. If you're pregnant, you want to make sure you get your calcium and make sure that any digestive problem is taken care of. Definitely take your Tums, you know. So Tums, you owe me right there. You get what I'm saying? I'm trying to reach the top that you pay me $1 million just to talk about you, Tums. you know, but to be naive, you know. So like I say, social media nowadays put me into deep depression. Another thing, right? Hey, I'm closing my bathroom door. Check this out. I'm doing a video. I went shopping. I have a lot of tags on the floor, right? Because we go shopping. We have to take off the tag them. Because we intend to keep the things them. Next thing I know, they be talking about how my floor have paper on it. 2 pieces of paper. Oh, I'm dirty. Why don't take the paper off the floor? Itch, go sit down. You think so through the start come talk about say me a Christian, you think so you can't come rub me the right way? You must think Christianity are like them old time days where people go on like say them a fowl we sit down pan egg and a wait for it lay and then quiet and calm. This a new era of Christianity we tell the devil for F off straight up. So don't expect Amari to be like, hell, finna walk over me and finna rob me and say, oh, you're a Christian, you must forgive. Forgive me, rule, Claude. I am a Christian. I've been a Christian. And I am a Christian that will tell you about your parts. You understand? And me not change. In a stay with Fina from a Christianity. Me not know where you not get it from. Because Jesus did go in at the temple and turn over the money change and everything and cuss them off and tell them to come out and Father house. Our bird dove start fly and everything. In let go the dove them and everything. And make them a fly all about. You understand? And almost mash up the whole marketplace in our Father house. So when I come talk about, me fi go on like you know wickeder. We say a Christian and a Greece can. I am the real Christian. I am the real one. But in a Christian and I telling a daughter sideways to go take abortion. Yeah, and all I pay for it. Who could be more Christian than Amari? You know, see me bring forth my church in Pitney them and confess my sins. All when me not bring forth, me talk about it. And you know, I go on like say, no goody, and not talk about in the sins them. So you know, better sit down and read the Ruru Cloth Star and get it in me not talking no goodies. Get it in a thick skull. Say, Amari, I one of the biggest Christian. You understand? A man do me wrong, me tell him off. You understand? Me not go on like me a hypocrite. You understand? A man do me wrong, me call the pow. You understand? And the pow lock him up and me make him sit down in a jail fever one night to teach him a lesson. You understand? Christianity is not a man beat me and then, oh, Amari, you must forgive. Why are you trying to bring down the bop? Amari, you're a wicked woman. You're a cruel woman. That's why all these things are going on in Jamaica. Because nobody would speak up when a man put their hands on them. You understand? But Amari, I've taught women to speak up. Because when me did speak up, guess what? Everybody have something bad to say. I'm trying to bring down this guy. And you know, it was the loneliest time in my life. Because I expected women to come forth and said, I'm so sorry for what have happened to you, Amari. Somebody come at you with a knife and come at you with a hammer in the sight of your kids, with your kids witnessing everything. And I expect them to really feel for me. I never got one letter that say, I'm so sorry, Amari. Or the whole world turned down against me. And say, oh, may I try to bring down the bop and may a wicked gal and wagga happen to me. Now look what is happening in Jamaica. Look what is going on. Every day, a mother is being killed, a wife, a sweetheart. Somebody is being killed. So we need for people to talk up even more. You understand? Amari, God love me. God love me. You talking about Christianity? You know how many women trying to have kids, and those are the